And we're about to show a photo here on screen of Larry in Lambton, North Dakota. That's in the U.S. and that was taken in 2016. The Sioux First Nation was trying to prevent the construction of the Dakota Access Pipeline, and thousands of people were living in a protest camp near Cannonball. And as a professor of art history, what's your analysis of this photo when you look at it?
This is a really interesting photo. As you said, these photos or this project was done over several trips where he went to Standing Rock in North Dakota, and the protests were really, there were water protests. You know, they were protecting their community was protecting their water. And so here we really see a kind of classic image of power struggle. On the one side of the image, we see that line of uniformed officers with their weapons and their riot gear. And then on the other side, facing them, is a line of peaceful, unarmed protesters. So I think a really powerful aspect of this image is that it both belongs to this tradition of these kinds of images, but also in this case, we have a central figure who extends a hand in a gesture of goodwill to the officer. So I think in particular that makes it extremely powerful.